Good afternoon. College Club's desk. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to join a club this term.
Certainly. Which club are you interested in?
I was thinking about the photography club.
The photography club is full this term, but the film club still has places.
Film club sounds good. I will join that.
Fine. I will put you down for the film club.
Thank you.
We have standard membership and student membership.
I am a full-time college student.
Then you need student membership.
Student membership. Good.
The photography club usually meets on Tuesday, but the film club meets on Thursday.
Thursday works for me.
The standard joining fee is £18.
Is there a lower student fee?
Yes, the student joining fee is £12.
£12. That is fine.
Membership lasts for 6 months.
6 months. Great.
May I have your surname, please?
Reman.
Is that R-A-H-M-A-N?
No, Reman. R-E-H-M-A-N.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
The 14th of March, 2007.
The 14th of March, 2007.
Correct.
And your college email username?
It is Araman21, all one word.
A-R-E-H-M-A-N-21?
Yes, Araman21.
Could I take a phone number?
It is 07382 for 40715.
Let me repeat that. 07382 440 715.
Yes, that is right.
Your membership reference is M2865.
M2865?
Correct. The first meeting is next Thursday in room B12.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Community Volunteer Office. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to register for a volunteer program.
Certainly. Which area are you interested in?
I was hoping to volunteer at the hospital.
The hospital program is full until September, but we have places in the library program.
The library program sounds useful. I can do that.
Good. We have 2 roles, events assistant and reading assistant.
Events assistant sounds interesting.
Events assistant is mostly evenings. You said on the form that you prefer daytime work.
Yes, daytime is better.
Then reading assistant would suit you.
Reading assistant is fine.
The next start date is the 11th of August.
The 11th of August. That works.
Training is usually at 9:30.
I have a college class at 9.
In that case, there is a second training session at 10:30.
10:30 is better.
Volunteers usually work 4 hours a week.
4 hours is fine.
May I have your surname, please?
Sarah.
Is that S-A-R-A?
No, Sarah with an H at the end. Sarah.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
The 3rd of May, 2006.
The 3rd of May, 2006.
Correct.
And your email username?
It is Sarah.h22.
So that is Sarah.h22?
Yes, Sarah.h22.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07418 509 332.
Let me repeat that. 07418 509 332.
Yes, that is correct.
Your registration reference is V7416.
V7416?
Correct. Please bring photo ID to the training session.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Riverside Health Club. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to book a trial session.
Certainly. Are you interested in a gym-only trial or a full trial?
I first thought about the gym-only trial.
That is available, but the full trial also includes the pool and a short fitness check.
In that case, I will book the full trial.
Fine. What date would you like?
Is Saturday the 18th of September possible?
Saturday is fully booked, but Sunday the 19th of September is available.
Sunday is fine.
I can offer 4 o'clock.
I may not arrive by 4.
The next time is 4:30.
For 30 works better.
Your full trial includes gym access and the pool.
So the pool is included?
Yes, the pool is included.
Good.
Your trainer will be Mr. Evans.
Could you spell that?
Evans. Evans.
Thank you. How much is the trial?
The standard trial fee is £20.
Do you have a student price?
Yes, the student trial fee is £15.
£15. That is fine.
May I confirm your address?
It is 32, Oak Road.
Did you say Oak Road or Oak Lane?
Oak Road.
Thank you. What email username should we use?
It is m.javed23.
m.javed23?
Yes, m.javed23.
And your phone number?
It is 07926 118 640.
Let me repeat that. 07926 118 640.
Yes, that is right.
Your booking reference is H5037.
H5037?
Correct. Please bring your student card on Sunday.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. City Museum Tours Desk. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to book a museum tour for next month.
Certainly. Are you interested in the art tour or the history tour?
I was thinking about the art tour.
The art tour is only available for school groups next month. The history tour is open to public visitors.
The history tour is fine.
What date would you like?
Is Monday the 12th of October available?
Monday the 12th is fully booked, but Tuesday the 13th of October is available.
Tuesday the 13th works for us.
There is a tour at 2 o'clock.
We may still be having lunch then.
The next tour starts at 2:30.
2:30 is better.
How many people are in your group?
5 people.
Fine. The adult ticket price is £14.
We are all students. Is there a student price?
Yes, student tickets are £11 each.
£11. Good.
Your guide will be Ms. Grant.
Could you spell that?
Grant. Grant.
Thank you. Where should we meet?
Please meet at the main entrance.
Main entrance. Got it.
May I have an email username for the confirmation?
It is n.ali24.
N.ali24.
Yes, n.ali24.
And your phone number?
It is 07863 447 910.
Let me repeat that. 07863 447 910.
Yes, that is correct.
Your booking reference is M6194.
M6194?
Correct. Please arrive 10 minutes before the tour.
We will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Westfield School Office. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to book a parent meeting.
Certainly. Is the meeting about attendance, behavior, or progress?
I first wanted to ask about attendance, but the main reason is student progress.
I will book it as a student progress meeting.
Thank you.
Which date would you prefer?
Is Monday the 16th of November possible?
Monday the 16th is fully booked, but Tuesday the 17th of November is available.
Tuesday the 17th is fine.
There is an appointment at 3:15.
I cannot reach the school by 3:15.
The next appointment is at 3:45.
3:45 works for me.
The meeting will be with Ms. Baker.
Could you spell that, please?
Baker. Baker.
Thank you. Which room should I go to?
It was first listed as room 204, but the room has changed to 214.
Room 214. Got it.
May I have the student's first name?
Lena.
Is that Lina?
No, Lena. Leena.
Thank you. And your surname?
Ahmed.
Ahmed?
Yes, Ahmed.
What email username should we use for confirmation?
It is parent.ahmed25.
Parent.ahmed25.
Yes, that is right.
Could I take your phone number?
It is 07729 864 511.
Let me repeat that. 07729 864 511.
Correct.
Your appointment reference is P3728.
P3728?
Yes. Please arrive 5 minutes before the meeting.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.